Welcome to the heart of Maharashtra, where history and engineering brilliance meet. Today, we are diving into the story of Daulatabad Fort, also known as the Fort of Fortune. Get ready for fascinating tales, jaw-dropping architecture, and some fun facts that will blow your mind. Daulatabad, originally known as Devgiri, was built in the 12th century by the Yadav dynasty. Located just 16 kilometers from Aurangabad, this hilltop fort is a marvel of strategic design, perched 200 meters above the surrounding plains. Imagine this. No enemy could sneak up on this fortress without being spotted miles away. Fun fact. Did you know? Daulatabad Fort is often called an impregnable fort due to its extraordinary defensive features. Not a single invading army could conquer it by force. This fort wasn't just about defense, it was a city in itself. With reservoirs, granaries, and palaces, Daulatabad could sustain a siege for years. But here's the kicker. To reach the inner sanctum, attackers had to navigate a labyrinth filled with traps and secret tunnels. Think Indiana Jones, but real. Fun fact. The Chand Minar, standing tall at 30 meters, was a victory tower and a symbol of architectural brilliance. The view from the top, simply breathtaking. Here's a twist in history. In the 14th century, Sultan Muhammad bin Tughlaq renamed Devgiri to Daulatabad and decided to shift his entire capital from Delhi to this fort. The result? A chaotic mass migration over 1,000 kilometers. Sadly, the ambitious plan didn't work out and the capital was moved back. But hey, he sure left a legacy here. Fun fact. Legend has it, Tughlaq's decision earned him the nickname, the Mad King. But was he mad, or just ahead of his time? You decide. This moat isn't just any water-filled ditch. It's lined with crocodiles and poisonous snakes. Yes, you heard that right. If that wasn't enough, the only access to the fort was via a narrow bridge, making it nearly impossible for enemies to storm in. Fun fact. The fort's walls are built with volcanic rock, blending seamlessly into the hill. Talk about camouflage. Daulatabad Fort isn't just a monument, it's a testament to the ingenuity and resilience of ancient India. Whether you're a history buff or an adventure seeker, this fort promises an unforgettable journey. So, pack your bags and come explore this marvel of the past. Until next time, keep discovering.